Hi everyone, my name is Jazia. Welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how I, give my hair like a salon blowout at home. I'm currently like growing out a buzz cut, so I have like plenty of layers. And I don't know, I felt like filming like a blow dry routine and how I kind of go about, all the layers in my hair, how I blend them all together using my Dyson Airwrap, which is amazing. I'm gonna show you how I do my hair. Okay, so let's get into the video. Okay, so I have washed my hair. Okay, so a little brief history on my hair. I have experienced like some damage on my hair, especially like in the back of my hair. My hair there is very like dry and brittle. So my main focus is to like strengthen and repair my hair, to rebuild and all that, to protect my hair. So I'm like heavy on bond repair right now. And I'm using like a few of them. Before I washed my hair, I used like the Absolu Bond Repair pre-wash treatment, and then in the shower I use like the K18, and I'm also gonna use the Living Proof Triple Bond Complex. At first I was like afraid that maybe I was like using too much bond repair, maybe it was like too much of a good thing, but I did some research and apparently they go well together, they complement each other, and I've actually had really good results since this routine. The only thing that's missing, but maybe I'll make a video about this separately, on how I repair and strengthen my hair if it is damaged, and that is to combine bond repair with like an intense protein treatment. I have not done that yet, but maybe I'll talk about that in another video. So I'm gonna start with the Living Proof Triple Bond Complex. My hair is still quite wet, I think, so just like removing any excess water. So I did about one pump, and so I start like this. And I don't have to worry about like applying it too close to my roots because I have very dry hair naturally. I don't get like oily hair. My hair actually gets very, very dry. The longer I don't wash my hair, the drier my hair gets. So I can get away applying the product very like high. So I just go like this, and then I start doing sections. And then I start like one section. Now, it looks a little bit messy now, but I'm gonna like brush my hair later to ensure everything is like evenly applied everywhere. For me, brushing is really, really important. Even though some people don't like brushing the hair when the hair is wet, I do. For me, it's very important. Using my fingers is great in the beginning, but my fingers is not a brush. There's a big difference for me. So I don't like to use just my fingers. I would never be able to like blend it in the same way as I would with a brush. So, and I don't really have like very tangly hair, so it's actually very easy for me to brush my hair, even if it's wet. My hair doesn't tangle easily. But first, I'm gonna start brushing it. You can see like how easy it is to brush my hair. There's no tangles. And if there is, I'm, very gentle. And then I start like one section, another section. The back is where I need like most product because that's where I have like the damage. But it's been getting a lot better since I started using these products that I'm gonna show you today. And I have very thick hair, so I need a lot of product to ensure that I don't miss anything. My hair is very thick and dense. First I start brushing, just to like make sure everything is evenly distributed throughout my hair. Okay, so the instructions for this is to leave it in the hair for at least 10 minutes before applying any other product. So that is exactly what I'm gonna do. And so, yeah, till 10 minutes from now, I guess. The next one is the Kérastase Blond Absolu Serum CicaNuit. this one. This is very, very good. I really like this. Now this is also for like when the hair is damaged, if it's bleached, if it's over processed, whatever. It helps to like strengthen the hair. It has like good ingredients. But I like this the most because it adds like a coat. I guess it's the silicones. It coats my hair and it makes my hair very silky, very smooth. And the reason why I like this, when my hair is damaged, if it is like a little bit dry and brittle, for me, this is going to add like a layer of protection, right? Because when my hair is very dry and brittle, if I go through my hair, even sometimes with my fingers, like in the morning after I slept on it or whatever, it can get a little bit tangly, I guess, where the hair is like very brittle. And then as I like run my fingers through it, it breaks off a little bit, right? Like if you have like split ends or whatever, the hair kind of snaps. And since I started using this, that doesn't happen anymore. Because it makes the hair so smooth, so silky. For me, it's like it protects my hair. It adds like a coat of protection so that my hair is very silky. So when I touch my hair, if I sleep on it, it doesn't matter. Like there's no breakage anymore because the hair is like protected. I don't know how else to explain it, but this is very, very good. I really, really like this. It is hydrating. It also seems to add like a little bit of shine to my hair, but I love this because it makes my hair so smooth, so silky, so shiny, and it really like adds protection. So this is why I like this product a lot. But it is also for like damaged hair, by the way. So I'm gonna apply this in the same way I always do. I'm gonna start with like about one pump, like this, like so. I like to like not forget those little baby hairs. I think they're very important as well. And I color my hair, so you know, this hair is like very fragile. And then I start applying it more in sections, I guess. And I start with like one part of my hair, moving on to the next one. So first I use my fingers. So I just take like one section at a time. And then, like I said, I brush it to ensure everything is like evenly applied. Focusing a little bit on the back of my hair. Sounds like somebody is racing. I live in the middle of nowhere, so it's not the first time. So you can see like my hair doesn't get tangly, it's very easy to brush through. So what I'm doing right now is I'm evenly applying the product throughout my hair. The fingers is good for like application, but then the brush for me is what's going to like help make sure I don't miss any hair, or at least not much, I hope. Now the final product, and so yes, I'm still gonna use like a third product. My hair is dry like the desert. Like I don't have to worry about oily hair. My hair actually gets very, very dry. The longer I don't wash my hair, it doesn't get oily, it gets drier and drier and drier and drier and drier until it becomes brittle. My hair likes moisture and lots of it. So I can use a lot of products in my hair, and I get the best results when I use like 3 products before I blow dry my hair. So now heat protection, and this one is the Amika The Wizard Detangling Primer. Another thing that I like about this is this makes my hair shiny. I mainly use it for like heat protection, but I like that it makes my hair very shiny. So like I say, I always start like this. And I'm not afraid to apply it close to my roots. I know a lot of people cringe when they see this, but I don't have oily hair. My hair gets dry, so dry. But to be honest, the hair with me gets dry everywhere, also on the roots, which is really weird. You should see like how I apply conditioner and mask, like this. Most people would just, ugh. And yet for me it's not a problem. Okay. And I apply a lot of product because I really want to make sure that before I use heat, my hair is well protected. Now I have two options. Either I let my hair air dry, or I use my Dyson blow dryer to like roughly blow dry my hair. I like my hair to be about 80 to 90% dry before I start blow drying it with like the round brush. So I think I'm gonna let my hair air dry, and when my hair is about 80-90% dry, I can start blow drying. to push the layers like to the back of my hair. Now it's very like luminous, but I still kind of like it. But I just like to take those pieces, all of those little short layers, push them more towards like the back. Let's see what the back looks like. I'm gonna use my oil now. So this is the Coco and Eve Like a Virgin Miracle Hair Elixir for some extra shine. It's from the side. So yeah, that was my tutorial, and that is how I blow dry my very heavily layered short hair. And like I said, I just keep playing with it and then it will settle down, it will look better over time. I think we are done. So that is the way I blow dry my hair, now that it's short and layered. I hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.